Alright, so this is how far I've gotten with this. So, we have all of these radios up here. We put the amp over here. You can reach behind it and pull the ladder line and bring it into the house if I want to use it there. So, I'm not sure exactly if this is how it will stay, but it gets the 101s up out of the bottom of the floor there and in a nice whirly manner. I don't have anywhere to put a display for the 710, but then again, you know, I'm not really using it, so it's not a big deal. And if I want to use it, the display on it itself is pretty good. So basically, I've got the I might put the 756 down below. I can put one more radio down there. Actually, if I put the tuner down here, I could put another radio over there too. The tuner definitely could go down here. Another bunch of stuff could go down there. I haven't decided yet, but and then this piece I had to cut. I don't know, whatever reason it's crooked, but it's crooked. So I'm just gonna leave it there for now. What I should do is actually set it on the floor and see how crooked it is. Real crooked. You just step on it like that. Yeah, it's like a crooked Home Depot lumber, you know. So close enough. But anyway, we don't have a bunch of weight on there. Then what I did was I busted off the other piece where I glued it on, and you can see how much I cut off of it, quite a bit. Almost to the screw holes, but this is perfectly fine. What I like to do is I like to be able to undo the ladder line and switch with the tuner in the house. So I might actually just put this a little further over here or something. I basically just want some support here, but I want to be able to get to this. So if this is blocking it, that's going to kind of suck. So I haven't really decided. Yeah, if I put this other bar over here like I had it, it's out of square, so you can see it's like, oh, we'll line that up, and then it's sticking out. So I don't know, but seems pretty good. So should clean up the mess a little bit. All the radios are plugged in. I have some of the stuff going to the UPS, which will only basically run one radio, and it won't run something like a 102 that puts out 200 watts. So get the ZD down here, FT1, 101, 101B, YL100 scope, regular speaker, 101E, Tempo 1, KW Matchbox, 756 Pro, Malcolmized FT102, matching speaker, and then the 710. You got the Tentec Centurion amplifier, Heathkit HL2200. It's basically SB220, just doesn't have 10. And then the kind of matching amplifier, and then my 85 watt Elenco radio and some other stuff, the Astron. So I'm getting it dialed in, but I think if maybe I moved this somewhere else, I probably could put a small monitor over here, or maybe I could put one over there. But I've been figure out if I'm going to use a monitor with this or what I'm going to do. I'm not really happy with this radio that much because it's so small and it doesn't really stand alone by itself. But, I mean, it is an extremely good value for what you spend. So, I don't know. I think what I need to do is get rid of a bunch of stuff and get, like, a couple of nicer radios. Anyway, we're just kind of trying to get it figured out to what's comfortable, so I'm sure I'll change it again.